In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align tab title and icons in WordPress Elementor. To get started, you'll first need to be logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a list of all the pages on your site. Take a moment to locate the specific page where you want to adjust the alignment of your tab titles and icons. When you've found it, hover your mouse over the page name. A few options will appear underneath, and from those options choose Edit with Elementor. This will open the page in the Elementor editor. Inside Elementor, your main goal is to locate the tabs widget you want to adjust. Scroll through your page or use the navigator if you're familiar with it, and click directly on the tabs section. Once you click it, the widget settings will open in the left panel. Make sure you're on the Content tab in those settings. Within the Content tab, look for the section related to the individual tabs. Here, you'll see controls for Justify and Align Title. These options control how your tab labels and their icons are positioned. Under Justify, you can choose from Start, Center, End, or Stretch. This setting affects how the tabs as a group are distributed along the row. For example, Start will keep them aligned to the left, Center will place them in the middle, End will push them to the right, and Stretch will spread them across the entire width. Below that, you'll see the Align Title setting, which lets you choose Start, Center, or End. This adjusts how the text inside each tab is aligned within the tab itself. It's important to know that the icon in each tab does not have its own separate alignment control. Instead, it follows whatever alignment you set for the tab title and overall tab layout. So when you tweak Justify and Title alignment, you're also indirectly positioning the icons. As you make these changes, keep an eye on the preview area in the center or right side of the screen to see how your adjustments look in real time. When you're happy with how everything is aligned, go to the top right corner of the Elementor interface and click either Update or Publish, depending on whether this is an existing page or a new one. That will save your changes and apply the new tab and icon alignment to your live site.